Today, we're diving into the Maono dm30 RGB USB microphone, a standout in the budget-friendly category. Right out of the box, this microphone impresses with its premium build quality and eye-catching RGB lighting. Design build quality, the dm30 exudes durability and elegance. The RGB lighting isn't just for show, it's fully customizable, offering multiple color presets to match your setup. The front control knob allows for easy gain adjustments, while the mute button ensures quick audio control during streams or recordings. Performance sound quality, equipped with a cardioid pickup pattern, the dm30 effectively isolates your voice, minimizing background noise. The sound quality is crisp and clear, making it suitable for voiceovers, gaming commentary, and podcasting. Overall, the Maono dm30 RGB USB microphone offers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're a budding content creator or a seasoned streamer, this microphone provides the essential features needed for high-quality audio without breaking the bank. Thank you so much.